Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use lowering clamps. These robust tools are designed for the safe and controlled movement of heavy loads, often weighing hundreds or even thousands of pounds. They provide a secure, non-slip grip, which is vital when positioning large components or structures. We'll cover everything from understanding their basic parts to executing a safe lowering operation, ensuring you can confidently use them for your projects. Before engaging any load, a thorough pre-operation check is paramount. First, visually inspect the clamp for any cracks, bends, or excessive wear, especially on the gripping jaws. Next, confirm the clamp's rated capacity, typically stamped on its body, is greater than the object's weight. For instance, if a clamp is rated for 2,000 pounds, do not attempt to lower an object weighing 2,500 pounds. Finally, ensure the gripping surfaces are clean and dry for optimal friction. To begin the lowering process, attach the clamp firmly to the object, ensuring the gripping jaws fully engage a flat, robust surface. Once secured, slowly apply tension with your lifting device, confirming the clamp holds the load without slipping. Now, carefully and gradually lower the object to its desired position. Avoid any abrupt drops or jerks, maintaining smooth, controlled descent. After the object is safely in place, release the tension and carefully remove the clamp, ensuring no part of the clamp is under residual load. Safety is paramount when working with heavy loads. Always adhere strictly to the clamp's working load limit. Attempting to lower an object exceeding this limit, even by a small margin like 100 pounds, can lead to catastrophic failure. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as sturdy gloves and a hard hat at all times. After each use, clean the clamp thoroughly and store it in a dry place. Regular maintenance, including checking for wear and lubricating pivot points, will extend its lifespan and ensure safe operation for many years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.